In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a saved network on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top left menu bar, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left side, you want to select Network. And then on the right side, you want to go ahead and select your network from the list here, whether it's a wireless base or maybe even an Ethernet based one. All you have to do is select the delete service button over here at the bottom left, or maybe delete Wi-Fi, depending on what type of network connection type it is, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.